pot, add water, and you need to make sure that you're using a deep pot so you can fit 2 to 3 liters of water in there. Here I've got some frozen mixed berries. I've got different berries. You can use any other berries that you like. Just add them into your pot. So there goes some raspberries as well. Predominantly I have raspberries, strawberries and blackberries. So we're just gonna wait till the water starts to boil. This should take, 5 to 10 minutes depending on your stove. When you start to see that the bubbles are appearing, the mixture is getting nice and ready. So just keep cooking it on high heat. Then when it starts to bubble like this, we're gonna add our sugar. I'm squeezing half a lemon juice in here. You can also add more. You can add the whole lemon if you like. And then I'm adding some honey. You can completely replace sugar with honey as well if you wish. So then we're just going to mix everything together and you will see that the mixture starts to cook. We're going to turn down the heat until low and we want to simmer this for a good half an hour up to 45 minutes. You will see that the color starts to change. And when it's ready, just take it off the stove. Next, ideally, you want to place this into a large jug. You want the mixture to cool down completely, so best to place it into the fridge. And you serve this with cold ice, or you can also serve this with sparkling water or just drink it on its own. You can also add more sugar if you like it sweeter or less sugar if you don't like it as sweet. So really this recipe is so great. You can just adjust it to your flavor and to your taste. And guys, here you go, summer fruit berry kompot, or you can say fruit juice, and just pour that into a glass. It's so refreshing, so fruity, so delicious, and I absolutely love this combination of fruits. So give this a go, let me know what you thought of it, and check out loads of